Welcome back to the Bonsai Barn. Today's video focuses on ficus bonsai care in winter and how to avoid common beginner mistakes. Winter can be tough on your ficus bonsai if you don't know what to watch out for. Today's will show you how to avoid the most common mistakes beginners make during the colder months. Whether you're keeping your tree indoors or outdoors, these tips will help keep your bonsai happy and healthy. Before we dive in, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on bonsai care tips and tricks. Let's start with light, one of the most important factors for ficus bonsai care in winter. These trees love bright, indirect sunlight, but winter means shorter days and weaker light. Tip: place your bonsai near a south-facing window if possible. If natural light isn't enough, consider using a grow light to give it the extra boost it needs. Next up, humidity. Winter air, especially indoors, can get dry fast due to heating systems. Ficus bonsai thrive in humid environments, so dry air can stress them out. Tip: use a humidity tray or mist your tree regularly to maintain moisture. Just don't overdo it. Too much moisture can lead to pests or fungal issues. Speaking of moisture, watering is tricky in winter. The soil doesn't dry out as quickly as in summer, so overwatering becomes a big problem. Tip: always check the soil before watering. If the top inch feels dry, it's time to water. If it's still damp, hold off for a day or two. Have you ever struggled with overwatering or underwatering? Let us know your experience. Pruning and fertilizing slow down during winter. Your tree won't be growing as fast, so there's no need for heavy pruning or feeding. Tip: focus on light pruning to maintain shape, and pause fertilization until early spring when growth picks up again. Even in winter, pests can find their way to your bonsai. Spider mites and scale insects are common culprits. Tip: keep an eye out for any signs of pests or disease and treat them immediately. Regularly inspecting your bonsai can prevent problems before they get serious. What's your go-to method for keeping pests away from your bonsai? There you have it, simple but essential tips to keep your ficus bonsai thriving through winter. Remember, every tree is different, so pay attention to how yours responds and adjust your care routine as needed. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more beginner-friendly bonsai tips. Got questions or tips of your own? Drop them in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. And don't miss our other videos on seasonal bonsai care. Thanks for watching, and happy bonsai growing!